is a quick craft. We took the idea of our folding doll room and turned them into printables for mini dolls. So you can print out an instant room for LOL Surprise, Little Shoppies, Little Kingdom, and other dolls of a similar size. The printables can be found on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. We have a stove with a pop-out option, a refrigerator and sink with a pop-out option, a plain room with a window, a plain room with a door, and a room with a door and a window. Then it's in reverse with the window and the door on the other sides. And we have a page of different flooring that can be used to decorate your room. So first, print out the desired room and draw on details to give it a personal touch. I'm gonna add a little plant here. Take a moment to clean it up. Draw something outside the window. I'm just gonna add a few clouds. Maybe there's some grass. I can leave the walls white, color them, or even draw wallpaper. First, I drew vertical lines. Then I went back and added a few dots to make a pattern. Add the finishing details. Once it's been colored, fold it in half, make a crease, open it up, and fold it in half again. Make a crease, open it back up, cut on the center line, stopping at the bottom of the wall. So the bottom half can be folded over to make the walls stand up. If I would like a different floor option, I can print out the mini textures, color it, cut it out, then glue it into place to make a corner room. That is just right for our mini dolls. And I can fold or cut the excess paper on the bottom to square off the space to make a mini doll room in a matter of minutes. Well, depending on how fast you can color. And if you don't want to color, you can go for an all-white kitchen. But I just have to add a little something to the window. And maybe a little potted plant. Make that too. But that's it. For a simple kitchen, we can take it a step further by using the pop-out printables. Just cut them out, fold on the lines, glue the tabs on the ends together to make a pop-up item. Glue it into the room right over the same picture. So now this refrigerator has dimension. And by only gluing it to the back wall, it will fold down for easy storage. Let's fold and glue in the sink. So now we have a little counter. Let's see if it can hold something. It's made out of paper. Let's see if we can put a Shopkin on it. Yes, we can! I don't think I would do more than one Shopkin, but hey, I'm still pretty happy with it. I can also put the plant on top of the fridge. If you need a little more space, make another room. I'm gonna trim the floor. I left the side tab here. I'm gonna just fold that back, then glue the tab onto the other room to make a full-size kitchen. You can have a lot of fun decorating the rooms however you like. And when playtime is over, everything folds up and lays flat for easy storage. In fact, you can store them all neatly in a folder. I'm going to work on my room a little and take one of the textures and glue it to the wall. I can add more rooms to expand the space and add a little color. Decorate with your favorite mini doll furniture to complete your house. There is so much that you can do with these printable rooms. You can make the houses as small or as large as you like, keep it white, or get colorful. This room was designed by Little Froggy. She cut pictures out of magazines, which gave it a nice touch. My niece did this one. She used scrapbook paper on the wall, then a magazine behind the window for a Fabsome view. And my mom went for something a little retro. Ooh, I like the little cutout plants at the door. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
Give a shout out to Belly202. What's up? I just spent all week renovating this kitchen and I love it. Wait, I forgot. I'm too young to use the stove. Oh no, how am I gonna get my tater tots now?